Learn English vocabulary. Hello, everybody. Here are the two words we will learn today. Bob is not a woman. He is a... Correct. One man. Two. That's right. And a little money means not very much money. Number one, please listen and write this in your notebook. Bob and his brother are men. Bob and his brother are men. Men. They are men. They are not women. Now we can make a flashcard for one man, two men. If there is only one person, we say one man. But if there are two or three or four, we say two men. This is an irregular plural. Please make a flashcard like this. Write man up here in the top left corner, M-A-N. Two men, M-E-N. Down here in this corner, P-E-O, one. This means people, level one. And over here in the bottom right corner, the number 33 out of 78. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Man. Men. Number two, please listen and write this in your notebook. There is a little milk in the bottle. There is a little milk in the bottle. Little. There is not very much milk in the bottle. There is only a little. Now we can make a flashcard for little. In Old English, there is little milk. But now in modern English, we say a little. Please make a card like this. Write little up here in the top left corner, L-I-T-T-L-E. For example, a little rice. Down here in this corner, GW1. This means grammar word, level 1. And over here in this corner, the number 62 out of 135. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Lit. Tull. But when we speak quickly, we say little. Game over. You did very well today. One man. Two men. Correct. Here are the level 2 words for today. Walk here is a noun. Number 2, be Huge means very big. Number 3 is a direction. Do you know? Correct. Southwest. My name is Vinny from Canada. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.